Next on stage, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, oh, that's a funny name. It's kind of like Klaus, but it's with U. So I hope I pronounce it correctly. Please welcome Klubs. Is that the case?
Hello. It's Klubs, actually. So yeah, my name is Jan. I represent team number 6, which is Klubs. And let's get started. We should start with this one. Yeah, so the big problem of Ülemiste-City right now is that people don't know each other. A lot of people don't know each other and they don't communicate. And our goal in this hackathon was to find a solution, how to bring the community closer together and make people really closer. So, my presentation is messed up a little bit. Yep. So, why people communicate in general? I think the big reason why people do that are common interests. People like to find like-minded people. They like to find people who have the same job, maybe, who has the same hobby, who shares the same interest, who maybe does same sports. And I think we found an easy to use solution how to make this happen, how help people find like-minded people. So let's have a look how it works. So we created a digital space, an app. This could be also a web app, but here is a prototype of a mobile app, which is called Klubs. And you just have to log in, and immediately you get asked what are your interests. So you just have to select few in order to help our system, our AI, suggest you some clubs, some activities, and even people who can you talk to, who can you turn to, and where you can participate. So after clicking on an event or a club or an activity, you get some information about it. So you can have a look where it is held, at what time, what members are there, and you can even chat with them. Also, you can directly search for people, because very often people don't really want to attend some events. They just want to find some fellows, some buddies to talk to find some people who share their interests. And you can do this in our app as well. So you just can find a person based on your interests and directly chat with him in our app. We also did some testing, and we sent a questionnaire. The results are as follows, that a lot of people want to meet new people inside the Ülemiste community, but they don't have an easy solution to do this. They don't have an easy option. They have to scroll through the Facebook, see a lot of other people, but they don't have an easy solution, and that's what makes us think that this solution could provide real value to Ülemiste community. Thank you. This could be the next steps, but they're pretty simple, just to create an app and test it.
Thank you. We saw your solution, and I understand that people can talk with each other, and you make them to talk each other, the similar hobbies and so on. But are you also thought about that, how we as a city developers can get the understanding how many people were engaged, how many clubs were made? Is there a function behind your solution as well?
Yeah, so at the beginning, it will be really simple, just matching people to the activities based on their profile. But we will have some data analysis that will gather all that, and you are able to see all the statistics of the current usage.
Thank you. And the second question is that how you motivate people to use this? What actions?
Our main target are people who are already interested in making new connections. So,
how many of them?
A lot. A lot of people want to make new connections, as we got to know through a questionnaire, but our additional motivation is shared interests, because our system will suggest to find the right people for right people again. So to find people who share your interest, not to find like everyone. This is our additional motivation.
Did you already test it somehow, like this solution? What did you find out when you talked to some potential customers?
We found out that the system is needed. We couldn't have tested that because we don't have an app itself. But as we got to know through our questionnaire and talking to people who actually work or live in Ülemiste, that they would like to have such a thing.
Thank you, Team Clubs.